Hello everybody, we got some movement in the crypto markets, so it was time to take profits. As we can see here on the 1 hour Bitcoin chart, we turned red, so we switched to short position. So after a very nice uptrend, so let's have a look. This one was more or less 27% of profit. And then Ethereum on the 1 hour chart, there no sell signal yet. We have to close below the 1517 mark. Yeah, and as you can see here, we were forming Fibonacci compression. So from the high, then we made a lower high, and then a low and a higher low. So it was some kind of a triangle forming here. And I had quite some orders open for this setup, also on many altcoins. But unfortunately, we dropped below the low. It was not a liquidity grab. We stayed below this low. So unfortunately, all those setups got closed in with a loss. But yeah, so for Ethereum, no close yet, but it will soon happen, in my opinion. Bitcoin. So on the daily chart, we got the sell signal for the ATR strategy, and this one closed out with a nice profit. Let's have a look. That was 26.39%. And then for the turtle strategy, this one will close out if we close today below 21,701.5 on the Bybit chart. We dipped already below it today, but now we're above it again. So yeah, this might take maybe another day to close out. Yeah, so we're gonna have to see with this one. Then Ethereum on the daily turtle strategy, we got an exit there. So we got 1, 2, 3 buy signals. So the profits here were 27.23, 15.08 and 3.1%. So this was a very nice trade. And then for ATR, there we are still in profit. So for the moment, still 27.88% of profit, but this will come down because we are waiting for a closure between below 1,483, more or less. So that would give us a profit of, yeah, depends where we close, let's say around 15%. Then Solana also starts to look weak. Closure between below 19.54 would be a short. And then XLM also here a closure below 0.08265 would give us a short signal. And that one is not so profitable. So this would be, yeah, at best we would look at around 3% profit. And yeah, then let's have a look at gold and silver. Here we did close out at the top, which was very nice. And we got also multiple buy signals, 1, 2, 3, 4. And the last two, they did close with a small loss, 1.73 and 0.4. And then the other two closed with a 1.9% and 3.97. So in all, is still a positive outcome. Silver, we got 1, 2 buy signals. And don't I have the strategy tester here? No, okay. Let's do it manually then. So exit here. This one was almost 15% of profit. And we got this one here with a small profit of 1.67. So both trades did close in profit. Other markets. Yeah, first of all, the S&P 500. Yeah, starts to look weak here again on the monthly. We already have a long wick here. I think we will reject again from these levels. What would I be looking at is, yeah, the 3,300 to 3,200 region. Why? Because we had those highs here in January 2020. So we can test this resistance as support. So if we look at the buying volume from the pandemic low to the all-time high, then we have the point of control at 3,373. So that's where most of the people did buy. So we might see support over there. But I think it's a bit too obvious because it is in line with the high from 2020. So I think to make people more bearish, we might drop a bit lower, maybe to this monthly support here at 3,260. Or we go even deeper and then to the 0.618 retracement, and that one would be at 3,180. So this green box, that's where I'm looking at for a bounce. And let's see from the current levels. Yeah, that's another 20. Yeah, let's say more or less a 20% dump. So yeah, so on the weekly chart, anyway, no news. There's still no buy signal. Euro dollar starts to come down, so a close below 1.0669 would give us a short signal, but this one also had a very nice run up. Let's see, we have the buy signal over here, so that would be, well, let's say more or less 6% of profit, which is really nice for a forex trade. And then crude oil, we get a buy signal. Well, it depends on the close for today, but it looks like we will give it another try. This one failed. The one from the 17th of January got closed in a loss on the 1st of February. So, but yeah, we start to form higher highs and higher lows. So it looks like if we hide this, then I already have drawings hidden. Right, yeah, we have this channel. So it looks like this channel gets respected, and then we have this yellow resistance line. This one looks like it will break as well. So yeah, this one starts to look more positive. So oil might be one to watch. Copper. Here we are still in a long position, but both are, yeah, both are for the moment with a loss. Oh, actually there are more. Let's see. Got a buy signal here. Is that correct? Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. So these are still open trades. Let's see. The first one is 10% in profit. The second one 3.33. And then the last two are in a loss, minus 0.27 and minus 3.53. So here no change yet, still in a long. And yeah, that was the wrap up for today then. So yeah, crypto looking weak, stock market looking weak, precious metals looking weak, just crude oil. This one seems to hold up. And yeah, that's my analysis for today. See you on the next one. Bye-bye.